So the first one we have here is a talking Thomas modified with a LED light. Look, and it's working.
I'm Thomas. I'm the #1 blue engine.
Nice. And put it right here. Well, you got the idea. It's in really good condition. See right there. So I'll show you that it's in clean condition. Very clean. So it's pretty much a good model. Let's go to the next one. Toolbox Thomas. This one I just opened it for a review or unboxing, and that's it. Look. It just comes with the tracks. Let's make a little test. So this model includes these special tracks for the Turbo Thomas. So right here I'm gonna give you a little close-up so you can see in more detail about this model. Okay, let's see the next one. Here is a custom LBSC 70 green Thomas Origins. I think it's Origins. So this one is customized model. So you can see right there all the details. You can find this for $75 on eBay plus shipping plus taxes, but I'm gonna sell it for less than that. That's too much. So listen, very quiet. Look. Beautiful. Okay, let's see the next one. Oh, before I forgot, here is I put a new battery contact, and this is how it looks in the inside, and you can just open it by pulling these little wheels down. See? Okay, so now we have a Victor. Right here I put new stickers, as you can see, new stickers that I did myself. And here is how it sounds. It's strong and fast. So you got the idea there, so you can see it clearly. Okay. Only problem with the eyebrows. And here are the battery terminals. Look, very clean. Okay, next. So we have this custom Duncan. Now the sticker right here has a kind of black mark. I think it's pen. So just to let you know, look, the face, the sides, the top, bottom, and the back, and it's working. Probably you might remember this one. I made a video about it. Listen, it's working. Now let's see the battery contacts. Right there, very clean. This color right here, that's the grease that I use for the gears. Okay, next model. Next we have a talking Thomas from Trackmaster 2, I think. Look at the face, the size, some scratches right there, and the bottom, and it's working.
I'm on my way. I'll jump in a puck to be there on time.
Okay, here are the battery contacts, really clean. Next, snow clearing Henry. Here is Henry. This is from 2009, I think. Look, snow clearing Henry. Now let's take a look at little details right here, the back, on the side. See the top, right there. It's clean. Now let's see. Can you hear that? It's really quiet. really quiet model, working perfectly. And let's take a look at the battery terminals. Look, very clean. So now let's see the next model. Okay, so next one is diesel. Let's see close up so you can take a look at little details. And the coupler is strong. Here is diesel. Look at the face. Now let's see the other side. Okay, now you turn it on from here. Don't forget to push this button. And it's working. Very clean battery contacts. Look. Okay, next. This one is a custom streamlined Thomas. See the LED light? Look. Very strong light. Okay, let's take a look on the sides so you can see the scratches, scuffs, whatever. Right there, there's a mark. So here is the bottom and battery terminals. Here is how this thing is assembled. Rewired. Look, that's how it makes contact with the LED lights. Okay, next. Talking Spencer. See this talking Spencer? There are some marks right here, scratches. Let's see the bottom. Now the other side. Slowly so you can see the details and the marks right there. Strong coupler. Okay.
I'm Spencer.
It's very quiet model, so you can hear clearly what the sounds are.
I'm the grandest engine.
And it's working. Okay. I almost forgot. Battery contacts, clean. Custom Black James. Look, okay, let's put it closer. Here is the tender and the model. Let's see the face so you can see what you're gonna get. So no mistakes, I'm not hiding anything. See right there, cab windows, the side, the back. It's in the middle right here. Strong coupler. Now this battery cover, it's a copy I made, so you can see right there the details. They are not perfect, but they work. Now let's do a test. And it's working. Excellent. Clean. I did the rewiring. Okay, next. So now I have 3 custom faces for these troublesome trucks. You can see right there. I will show you the sides. Look, that's how I get it. I did not paint this one, so this is what you're gonna get. If you are interested, you know how to contact me on Facebook. I will give you more details right there. Now this one, some people consider it rare, some hard to find model because of the wobbly wheels. See that? Wobbly wheels. They are independent wheels, see? This one will be for sale too. I'll give you the details. Some scratched face, but I'm gonna add some stickers for this model. And the last set is these custom troublesome trucks. Look, these are for Trackmaster 2. I put a new face right there so you can see the details. Look at this one. Looks nice. Well, for me, it's good. I don't know if you guys like it or not. So these ones will be on a set like this, and I give you the details right now. So please remember, this is for a good cause. I want to buy my kids new computers so they can keep studying at home, doing homework and whatever they need to do. Now, I already checked the prices on eBay and how they sell it, and none of these will be over $50. So I'm gonna give you a rough prices. So if you want to buy different models, I'm gonna send you an invoice. So for the invoice, you gotta contact me on Facebook, link below, and once you send me a message for which models you want, and I will send you the invoice to your email, and we'll combine the shipping. Now, for overseas or other countries, I do not have control on the prices. Remember, it's from $24.50 to $28 just for a single model engine. Now, if we combine the weight, it could be from, if you buy like a 5, the shipping cost could be from $35 to $40. I do not have control on that. Now let's go into the rough details. This one sells for $10 on eBay. This one custom model, $20. I will ask for this one Tolkien James another $20. This one sells for $40, so I'm gonna ask $40. This one sells for new for $24, but it's used. I open box. I'm gonna sell it for $20. This one sells for $12 to $13, so I'm gonna ask $15 because it's really good. And this Tolkien Thomas, I don't recall, but I don't know. I'll check the prices. This one sells for $75 on eBay right now, the day I'm posting this video, and I'm just gonna ask $45. I don't care. So next one, the custom LED streamlined Tomas. I want $30. Remember, it's for a good cause. This Black James, I'm gonna ask like a $50, and shipping is crazy. I'm paying $5. But anyways, so this one will be also for. Now these custom models, trailers and trucks, $15. And these custom trailers and trucks, $12. And this one, I will include the stickers for this face, wobbly wheels, $10. Remember, shipping is really expensive, so I'm not making a lot of profit, but I'm trying to work hard to make to work and get the funds to buy the computer for my kids. So shipping for a single of these on US, it's between $4 and $5. Remember, you can check the prices on eBay, and it's crazy. But anyways, I think that's a good info for now, and thanks for watching. Bye.